is gorgeous. This is gorgeous. It just needs a little TLC and it's gold. 50 rand. Heaven. Colin. Okay. For organizing phakathi ekhabetheni yabona la ubeka ama spices akhuphuka esengedebhisi and then lezi ezaphakathi ekhabetheni like mangabe ungana space ekhabetheni ubeka ama komisho wakho so uyayihlalisa ubeka ama cup la phezulu yabo ubeka nayo zona nalezi yabo. I really want these ones for a fridge for our spices, for our like izinto ezingena efridge, but I wanted clear ones. Okay. I also need these for just organization. I need organization stuff. I need everything. Ini? Uyazi yani turntable my spices or into the kitchen. But you can use it for anything. Lazy Susan. Oh my gosh, these people, what are they doing to me? lunch. Hey. These are single broom holders. They're really nice. If you don't have any space, this is the solution for brooms. If you are building a table, a side table, these are perfect and they are just 46 rand, which is nice. What are these used for? I could use these for a lot of things.
Tables.
Oh.
Yes.
This is nice.
You can put.
Oh. These are the most commonly used ones. They also used in the pep home stools and stuff. Hi, babe. Says it. Yeah. So we're also looking for like the door clips for our closet, which are perfect because these are just 2.50 and 11 rand for these big ones. Bathroom stuff. Customize your bathroom and guys. Look at these ones. I like all black though, Mina, than silver. Because I'm still gonna paint it. What's the use, babe? Ooh, gorgeous. Guys, Gelmar is the plug.
Mama?
The plug. Oh my god. Let's just continue since we're here.
And it's behind this.
This is cheap. 6 rand. And they're not that small. It's not the very small ones. If you are looking for an easy storage unit, 275 rand, and I know people who can style this really nice, and it comes in this one and this one. Nazi ezinye izinto engizifunayo. For these are for like your tooth, your cotton balls and your these things. This is also nice, Eva. This one.
I wanna buy them for the stand.
For the table.
For the table.
They are 13 rand. How many are they? Oh, up 11 rand.
11 rand.
So the next time you want to organize a space, guys, come to Gelmar because they have absolutely everything. They have these mug holders. You can actually install this on your cupboard like this and then hang your mugs. Sorry, like this. And hang your mugs. What I love the most is this one that I'm definitely going to get for your spices. You can use it outside the cupboard or inside. It's totally up to you. And these are also gorgeous. I die. I really do die. Nah, baby, peeling if you know about the round mirror. Hey, it's $2.89. Wow. This one, fridge food saver. Just put your foods in here and you finish normal leftovers. This space has absolutely everything. Look at this drawer organizer. Like I could finish all my money here. All of it. Take it. That's it for Gelmar, guys. I hope you enjoyed. Bye. So right now we're at Cash Crusaders just to see what they have in here. Seems packed. I can make this. It's nice. $3.99. This is gorgeous. This is gorgeous. It just needs a little TLC and it's gold. This is really gorgeous. I am actually looking for a lamp, but not sure yet. Look at those fluffy ones. Ah. Oh my god, like old style, old traditional style. This is about Great Gatsby. If you want, you can style your home like that, but I'm good. These are also nice. Well, if you have the ideas on how to spruce them up. This is gorgeous. I could do with something like this in my home, and it's only 70 bucks. I love the color. I love the color. They're very nice. Nice artwork. I wonder by saying Malin. For us who like refurbishing stuff, this is amazing. This is gorgeous, but it's just one chair and it's 700, 800 rands. Look at the gold legs on it. Yeah? Malina, in bunch, let's sell up with TV. Yeah? Chairs galore for people who are looking for like chairs. Okay. Oh, there's 2 of these. These are really gorgeous. The color doesn't show nicely. I think it's a turquoise color. If you're having a buffet, old style, this is gorgeous. Really, really gorgeous. Oh, this is for butter, isn't it? I don't know.
You know, I handled them all come up plain, not in the wind. Yeah. So it's going to be peaches.
Oh, it's one of my favorites.
These are also really gorgeous for like earrings and stuff.
Okay, Kenny and Quinton, you either get to choose between Horsey or Jordan. Alex has got the coin and he's going to flip it.
All right.
He's going to decide who chooses first. Here we go.
Okay, so Quentin, you got heads, Kenny, you got...
Plant life. Take a Evo tree, 60 rand, 70 rand. Oh, this is nice. What tree is this? Yeah. I should start off as a tree and then it strengthens, and then sooner or later you have Evos. Heaven. Yo, this is gorgeous, baby. I'm showing you. Yo, 50 rand. Yo, this is so gorgeous. Take a succulent. Nama succulent akhula kamnandi. And these don't die. Snake plant. I like this plant. This one. Wow. Sengizozala yazi mangifuna iplant entsha. Also love yazi ukuthi lesi sikhula sibele phezulu. Yeah, it really grows, yo. I need to get myself. It's 150. Sikhula sime njenga na sengisifunayo. My original one, because lesi nginaso lesi fake asibona ngithi. Oh. How much is it? 300. Floors. Nama flows. Sunflower.